If you want to set up your mobile hotspot on your Samsung Galaxy A56, it's quite easy to do. So first of all, let's open up our connections. Now let's scroll down to our mobile hotspot and tethering and open it up. Choose your mobile hotspot section and tap on the switch to turn it on. When our mobile hotspot on, we can't use our Wi-Fi, so keep that in mind. So here you can set up your network's name. Right, you can set up a password. It has to be at least 8 characters long. Here you can choose a band, 2 and 4 Hz preferred or 5 Hz preferred, and security protocol. Also, you can set up your broadcast channel, MAC address type, turn off when the device is not connected. So you can set up a timer, never timer of 5 minutes, and anything up to 1 hour. You can set up your hotspot as a hidden network at the Wi-Fi 6 standard. You can adjust your protected management frames and set up power saving mode. When you're done with all of the settings, simply press save. Also, you can set up auto hotspot. However, this option is available only for Samsung users. So it's gonna be your account and your family sharing, but basically that's it. And I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.